National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Stafford County in northern Virginia. Eastern Clinton County until 3:30 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Clinton to near Atkinson, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Sterling, Rock Falls, Morrison, Comanche, Fulton, Prophetstown, Erie, Leonard, Garden Plain, Milledgeville, Fairhaven, Albany, Tampico, Cheyenne, Linden, Chadwick, Lowmore, Colita, and Deer Grove. This includes Interstate 88 between mile markers 14 and 44. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northwestern Illinois and east central Iowa. Take cover now.
One smell of colitas.
Alright, buddy, this is my sign day 2000 here, and basically, today is Wednesday, November 11th, 2020, which is obviously Veterans Day, so if I have any veterans watching, thank you for all you have done, and all you will be doing in the future, you will possibly be doing in the future. So, yeah. And obviously, see, I have some new radios. I don't think you've seen this that much, but I'll tell you about that later. So, HH54, WR300, WR300, WR120, WR100, 12519, realistic / radio static 12-140, DR310. I'll tell you about that. Oh, Midland 74, 250. So, that says 659, but this is exact on time. So, yeah.
Highs in the lower 60s. Sunday night, clear.
Yeah. Also, there may be a little bit of scuffing up there because it fell behind the shelf. And don't mind this over here. I need to clean this up. This needs to be up there like that.
Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s.
So I'm just gonna
This is your weather radio station
put this here.
WXK85 in Oklahoma City, operating on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. Programming originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Norman, Oklahoma. You're listening to Oklahoma City Weather Radio, and here are some weather observations. At Oklahoma City, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 54 degrees, the dew point 33.
I've never seen this thing go, and yeah. Oh, I meant to turn the 100 on, but
You have just heard a test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature.
Ooh, excuse me.
Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability,
Now the test is over, I can turn this back on.
distance from the transmitter will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of National Weather Service Radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area. Oklahoma City,
Horrible
the sunset
test.
this evening occurs at 5:26 p.m. Central Standard Time, and the sunrise in the morning occurs at 7:03 a.m. Central Standard
I
Time.
love that scrolling.
You have just heard a test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability
There we are.
is normally more noticeable
This
at a greater distance
is normally
from the transmitter.
monitoring
Will occur
WDSA,
even though you
but
are using a good
it's not
quality
playing
receiver
at the
in
moment,
perfect
so I
working
went
order.
ahead and so
During severe weather,
yeah,
the
I
warning
just
alarm will be
unplugged
activated
the
for severe
cables,
thunderstorm and tornado watches,
cables
and for severe thunderstorm, tornado,
connected
and
to the
flash flood
iPod
warnings.
and set it to
The warning alarm will also be
WXK85.
used for civil emergency messages.
After I turned
A
the
test
volume
of
off,
the warning
on
alarm feature of
the
National
volume
Weather
down all the
Service
way on
Radio
that,
is
so
conducted at 12 noon and
yeah.
7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area. From the Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast for Oklahoma City and surrounding area. Tonight, clear.
Then
Lows around 40. Light and variable winds becoming southeast around 10 miles an hour after midnight. Thursday, partly cloudy.
what's on?
Highs in the upper 60s.
Okay, and then
Afternoon. Thursday
this
night,
works pretty well.
mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour.
Has a unique sound too. Does that tell you why I didn't have it on? Because who would want to listen to
Mostly cloudy with
that? Who would really want to listen to this? Or let me. Then I'm gonna use my.
60%.
Oops, I'm gonna use my. There. And that one has any more annoying sound than this, which that's kind of annoying, but that's even more annoying.
Monday night, clear.
Unless you had the alert lock thing, the alert lock switch flipped on bomb, all this would do is go. Once. And it probably won't play the broadcast. But obviously you'll know you have a alarm when the bell still, or if you're not home. It won't play the broadcast, but at least it will at least keep you notified, let you know when there's an alert by flashing the alert light.
The wind. From around.
So yeah, this video is getting 6 minutes long, so yeah. Thank you for watching, and that will be it.